By the time the child reaches the age of 2 years, they typically start to show new physical activities. At this stage, the child is usually able to run, demonstrating the increase in coordination and agility. They can also jump in place, lifting both feet off the ground, which indicates improved strength and balance. Additionally, the child starts climbing on furniture, showcasing their growth, confidence, and physical prowess. Furthermore, they begin to walk up and down the stairs alone, developing sense of stability. In terms of fine motor skills, a 2-year-old child starts to show signs of hand dominance as they begin to handle small objects such as hairbrush, spoon, and toothbrush. They are also capable of turning the pages of a book and drawing using movement involving their arms and wrist. Additionally, their fine motor skills are further demonstrated by their ability to build a tower with 8 cubes and arrange cube horizontal alignment. Personal and social development, a 2-year-old child often engaged in a parallel play where they play alongside other children without directly interacting. They are becoming proficient at using a spoon for eating and be able to open doorknobs independently. Additionally, this stage marks the beginning of toilet training as the child starts to learn and practice the important self-care skill. And in terms for their cognitive development, a 2-year-old child can follow basic instruction, demonstrating their growing understanding of verbal guidance. They also begin to grasp the concept of symbols, recognizing the certain image of object can represent other things, which is an important step in their cognitive growth. Their speech and language can speak 1 to 2 word phrases, like,
Oh, what's that?
What's this?
Duck.
Oh, this one. And this one.
by the time the child reaches 3 years old, they typically develop several advanced gross motor skills. At this age, they can walk upstairs using an alternating pattern, stepping with 1 foot at a time. They could also able to stand on 1 foot for a short period, and this with balancing ability allows them to kick a ball also. Additionally, they can perform broad jumps, moving themselves from forward with both feet. They also start to pedal tricycle bikes, showing improved coordination and motor skills. In terms of fine motor skills, a 3-year-old child can demonstrate an ability to throw a ball in using a overhand motion that involves coordinated movements of arm, trunk, and body. When catching a ball, they usually extend their arms and bring them towards their body, effectively using their whole torso to secure the catch. Additionally, these aged children are often able to undress themselves completely, showing significant progress in their fine motor skills and independence. For their personal and social, they usually capable of washing and drying their own hands and face, beginning to be independent. They can also pour liquid from a pitcher, demonstrating improved coordination and control over their action. These skills reflect growing self-sufficiency and ability to manage basic self-care tasks. In speech and language, a 3-year-old can form 3-word sentences like,
Don't make the earth a little flower and the tree so tall.
and they could also ask question what to do and where, and follow simple instructions that use prepositions.